Hey you! Today's video is going to be about Honua Hawaiian skincare. First we're going to unbox it and then we're going to test it out. Please note I'm not affiliated with or sponsored by these people. I just like to support native businesses, as well as small businesses owned by people of color and families. This was the biggest reason why I wanted to order from them, is because it was started by a woman named Napua Browning and her husband, and they have 4 children together. And no, I don't know them, I'm not stalking them. I actually found this information on their website. Another reason why I wanted to order from them is because they use plants and material that is found here in Hawaii. They use Aila kukui or kukui nut tree, the kalo or taro, iliahi or Hawaiian sandalwood. They use Olenna, which is also known as turmeric, noni, Aila kamani or tamanu oil, alo hibiscus, niu or coconut, awa or kava, laukahi, which is Hawaiian plantain, nioi, Hawaiian chili pepper, and lilikoi or passion fruit flower. I really think that these plants are very important as they are medicinal plants in Hawaii. So I was really excited about getting this. I was scared to order before because they're a little pricey, but they did have a Mother's Day sale, so I took advantage of that and I ordered some Aloha Youth Serum. I got Māhealani Moonlit Glow Balm, which is a moisturizer. I got Pa'akai cleansing cream, the Hawaiian Beauty Water. I got Ōlena Oil, and I also got the Līhau spritzer. Because I didn't have any makeup on my face, I didn't need to remove anything. I just went straight ahead and used the Pa'akai cleansing cream on my face and exfoliated. I used to exfoliate every day, but then I realized I started getting wrinkles, and so I stopped. I only do it like once a month now. Okay, so I rinsed off, and then I started using the Hawaiian Beauty Water. I would put it on a cotton round, and then I worked it into my face. Both products have a really nice scent. They both smell like Olenna or turmeric, but fresh, like fresh from the garden. Like you're chopping it on your cutting board. That's how fresh it smells. It's really nice, light, and refreshing. After you cleanse, rinse, and tone, you put serum. So I used the Aloha Youth Serum on my entire face and smoothed it in, including the area around my eyes, in between my eyes, like everywhere. I just used 1 dropper full and it went a long way. And then here I used Māhealani Moonlit Glow Balm. This is a moisturizer. It was actually very thick. It's like perfect for before you go to bed. I used it during the day. It was like really, I don't want to say greasy, but just really thick and heavy. So yeah, again, you might want to use this product at night. And then I went to Olenna Beauty Oil. I like to put my oil on after my moisturizer. This one also smelled like Olenna. It smelled like turmeric. It was very light and just a nice feeling. I feel like putting the oil on after the moisturizer is good because it helps seal it all in. And then this is a lip balm that I made from my own collection. This is something new that I started doing as part of my facial routine. I try to do this at least twice a week, where I use the roller on my face, and then I finished everything off with the Līhau spritz. I forget what they called it exactly, but it's like a mister, and it's very refreshing, very light. It's like perfect, I feel like, for after you go to the beach, after you've been in the sun. It just feels really good. But anyway, that is the routine that I did. Wanted to make use of all the products, and I feel like my face is very clean and nice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Aloha. Ohiro. Malama pena.